Hello Internet, today we'll be reviewing the AutoEdit 1.5 by 11%. This plugin can edit a music video from start to finish. It does all the boring stuff, allowing you to edit 10 times faster. They also introduced the AI VFX that automatically adds transitions and VFX in literal seconds. I'll leave a link if you're interested. Now let's freaking go! Alright, so this is the first time I'm using it, so let's see how it goes. First, I'm going to go to Windows, Extensions, and Auto Edit right there. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna move it over here, make life a little easier. Alright, so first, import music, okay? So my boy Soki sent me his song with some footage, so yeah, let's do that. I'll leave a link in the description if you like the song or something. Next, we import performance shots. They were very clear on the performance shot, so yeah, I have like 7 performance shots. That should be good enough. Then click continue. You'll see how it layers everything up. Okay, from here it gives you instructions to synchronize. So Control A, right click, synchronize, make sure it's mixed down on audio track channel, then click OK. Already it's really cool how it layers everything by itself. Normally you'll have to do that manually, but that's already a plus for me. Let's click next. We're going to wait for it to detect the beats for a minute. Alright, let me just drag this up. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. Edit type, let's go with random, and I think collapse would put it all on the same layer. I think that's easier to look at. Edit speed, it's a pretty chill song, so chill. Yeah, let's proceed. Alright, so as you can see, it's making the cuts in real time. Pretty cool to see. Damn, okay, I think it's done.
Why, baby, oh, before my let me take you, baby, oh, good.
Okay, I like my audio clip being on the first layer, so I'm just gonna do that. And I want to make it easier to look at, so I'm going to quickly apply a color grade. Alright, color grade applied. So there are definitely a couple of clips I wouldn't have used, or I would have zoomed in on. I guess that's why AI can't replace us, but like it did really good for what I gave it. So yeah, that's nice. Nice. I didn't add in any b-roll, so that makes sense. Some of these empty spots. So now let's try, what's this? Yep, me again. That is the b-roll trimmer. Basically, it cuts out all the unusable parts of your b-roll, so that saves a bunch of time, and it's in their updated V2 version. If you think it's for you, check it out. All the links will be in the description. I'd already recorded this video before the V2 came out, so yeah, back to it. So okay, now, oh, this is sick. 3D objects, camera shakes, CRTs, film borders, film burns. Yeah, it gives you a ton of options. Let's try the AI. Let's see what it does. Okay, so you get to pick the effect the AI gets to use. 3D objects won't really match this video, but I'm really curious to see what it looks like, so let's go. I guess Chrome, CRT. Yo, I'm just picking whatever. Mixed media. Intensity, yeah, we can leave it at 50%. Yeah, I'm super curious. Let's see how it does. Where are the effects? Okay, they're all up here. Let's see.
Baby, why, baby, oh, before my let me take you, baby, oh, good all I make you whiny, baby, oh, it's your man, make me thirsty, baby,
okay, the 3D objects, most likely you have to go to effects, ultra key this. Okay, for the 3D object, you're still gonna have to ultra key it. That makes a lot of sense. I guess if I turn the intensity up, it would have done like way more, but I think 50% is cool. At least you get to see how it works. Now let's see how to apply it manually, I guess. Okay, 3D objects, basketball, floating, let's do that. I think it's too long, so we'll have to trim, then ultra key. Oh. It's still like 50 times easier than doing this manually, so yeah, that's a win in my book. Last but not least, let's see what that text do. Okay, oh, this looks nice. Let me try the sample title. Yeah, and you got a ton of options to choose from, effects wise. And I think you can edit all this by opening up your essential graphics. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Sample title, change it to whatever. Dope. Oh yeah, that's fire. That's it for this video. My final thoughts. I can't say I love it either, but AI is here to stay. You just have to get with the times. There's no doubt AutoEdit makes editing faster and easier, especially if you're just starting out. And personally, I'll definitely be using it in the future to speed up my workflow. I'll leave a link in the description, and thank you for being here with me today. We'll be alright. Toodles.